What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today we have two cases from a company that reached out to me. They wanted me to try out their cases. I believe the name of the company is Humixx, but I'll drop a link to their website in the description. I've never heard of this company, but they say they make cases, so they sent me out two of their cases. One is going to be a clear case and one is not going to be a clear case because I've already opened them up for myself. And as you see here, I'm greeted with the clear case. This is what the clear case looks like. This is something very, very different. I'll go over that in a minute, but I want to put that aside for right now. And let's do the black case that they sent me over. These are the exact same cases in different colors. So pretty much you get the black and you get the clear. This is what the cases are looking like. Get a little focus in, but this is what the cases look like. So first let's try on the clear case. And as you can see, there is a little door here. I know you guys are probably wondering about that, but that is clearly for your camera to protect it so you won't get any dust or grime in there. And this also came with a dark latch and a clear latch for the clear. So overall, it feels and looks good. Like they said, it's simple. So I'm just gonna place my phone in like so. And as you can see, this is what the clear case looks like. It has a nice size lip. So if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you should have no problems. As long as you have a screen protector on, you should be good to go. You get your power button. It's nice and clicky. On this side, you get your volume up and down button. Those are also nice and clicky. You get your button for your alert slider. Easy access, no problem. On the back here, you get nothing. But like I said, you do get a big old protection at the top for your camera. And this is good because I like this because you could either use this with your camera open, which is nice, or when you're not using your camera, you can close it. And I actually like that it has that little door latch there for the camera because I don't have to worry about dust and grime getting in my camera lens when I'm walking around with my device. But overall, this is a nice, simple looking case. Like it said, it's nice and simple, nothing too fancy, but it is a good case. And I think I will enjoy this clear in the black case. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to do the black one. Like I said, they're the exact same case, just in different colors. And the black one, this is what the black looks like. You get the exact same protection you would get with the clear, just that it is black. But you get the exact same lip protection. Place it down flat on the table, you should be good to go. On the back here, you get some words on the back. It just says lens protection. Slide it. That way, if you want to take a picture, you're able to. But then if you don't want to take a picture, boom, you just slide it back. This is my first time ever having a case with the little door on the back for the camera lens, and I really like that. I wish all cases would come like that. So now let's check the buttons, which are going to be the exact same because this is the exact same case, but I still want to get this for you on camera. Nice and clicky. Volume up and down button is right there. As you can see, you get some little ridges. You get nothing at the top. You get all your ports at the bottom, and you just get a nice feel on the back. So just come and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.